And welcome back. Well, now that this is more or less completed, we need to give it a name. So how about rear wheel support leg. Yep, that's fine. Okay, well, we have the wheel linked to the bracket. Now we need the bracket linking to the support leg. So up to select and link. Let's select that piece there and bring it up to here. There we go. That should now be linked. Let's just check it out. Undo. That's the piece we need. Thank you. Yep. There we go. Undo that. And then we really need the support leg linking to, not attaching in this case, but linking to the fuselage there. So let's just pop into the fuselage, unfreeze it, deselect, let's go link again, select that and link it to the fuselage. There we are. That's all done and dusted in this section then. And it take too long. Now I know we've not looked at the animation section. That's going to come a little bit further down the line when we start rigging our aircraft. However, I have set it up so that we can get a basic idea of how these individual parts operate in relation to the aircraft itself. Okay, so let's just play this. Now, let's say these are not rigged. They are basically rotating about their own axes, but it does give you a general idea. Okay, let's stop that and send it back to the start. So what's next on the list? Well, I think we should start taking a look at the cockpit interior. Okay, well, let's get cracking. I think we'll start by boxing out the cockpit first. So let's just zoom in a little bit. What we're going to do is go for the edge here. Click that one there. See if I can press Shift. Yep, it's looped it all the way around. And of course we don't need everything, so let's just deselect some of these. I'm pressing Alt. Let's deselect those down into the corner there. Might as well get those there while we're at it. And these down here, right up to that corner there. Come along. We don't need any of those round there, so Alt. Let's take it from there all the way along to there. Right, so back to these. Let's rotate round a little bit and just pull out. Yep, we've got what we want. Okay, let's pop down to bridge. Let's bridge these. Let's have a look. Well, it's bridged where we want. Actually, 13 isn't all that bad. Yeah, it's got it nicely at the top there. Okay, we're going to say yes for that. I'm quite happy with that. Now, let's have a look around. Yeah, because we're not going to be adding a turbo smooth to any of this. So, right. Let's see if we can get into here. We're on edge again. Let's start at that one. Let's press Shift. Same again. So we've got to deselect some of these. Let's start with that in that corner there. Those corners there. Okay. Zoom out. Rotate round. pressing Alt, let's deselect those, and it's going up into that top section as well, so deselect there, zoom around, let's have a look. Yep. Now the front is a little bit different from the rear section, so I think what we're going to have to do is just deselect the top 4 there. Okay, yeah. Then we'll go back to bridge. 13, say 13. Yeah, okay. Keep it the same as the back. Now we need border, because this is a border up there now. So back down to we need cap for this one. Cap. There we go. Let's cap that. And we're not going to be splitting this in half again. So okay, yep, we'll keep that as it is there. Now let's pop onto edge again. Just pressing Control now. We're going along and selecting this edge here, one at a time, because I know if we try and do the loop, it'll just go up into these sections here, and we don't want that. Okay, select and move. I'm going to press Shift and then bring this down. How far? Good question. Okay, let me have a look here now. Yep, that's about right for the time being. I'm thinking about where the pilot's legs go. Alt X. Let's have a look. Yep, and I'm going to press Shift again, and we're going to drag this out now to somewhere around about there. Let's have a look. That's where the wing is. May need to come out a little bit more, but I'm not bothered about that too much. So Alt X, get that back, and then we need to shape them across here. So how many sections have we got going down? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 sections. Okay, Alt X. No, in fact, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to select this edge around here. Select that. See if we can press Shift and if it'll loop around. See how far it goes. That goes all the way up to there. We don't want that, so let's just pull back. We definitely don't need it up there. So let's press Alt and deselect all those there. Deselect that down there. Press Control. In fact, let's zoom in again. I want to make sure I've got that right down in that corner. Yes, we have. So Alt, press Shift to select that one. Nope. Undo. So what we're doing is Control, pop along and just select these individually. A bit more time consuming, but better to be safe than sorry. That one there, one in the corner there, and there. Pop down. Let's just zoom out a little bit. Pop round here. pressing Alt Control again. So have we got those? Yep. Okay. Let's press Shift. Come out of, yep, press Shift. Let's extrude that downwards. Now then. How far down? Well, down as far as that one there. Okay. Can I come down a bit more? Let's have a look. Let's go into our left viewport. Let's go Control X. Now then. Let's hide the wings. And what we're doing is bringing it down to that line there. So there we go. Just there. Alt X again. Let's pop inside. We're going to convert this to, or put it into vertex mode. And what we need to do, if we can get there, is grab one of those vertices there. I'm going to pull it back. Yep, that one. Pop down to our target weld. Grab that, and let's weld that to that. Turn target weld off. Let's select one of these here. Which way pull it? Which way is it going? It's going that way. Back to target weld. That one to that one. Lovely. Now let's come up to root. I'm going to pop into edit and swift loop. What I want to do is just rotate around a little bit. Let's get our swift loop and put one in just there, and then one just underneath it, about there. Okay, right, mindful of the time, we'll continue this in the next session. Okay, I'll catch you later.